Lights, camera, action again for Christmas lips this time, but still using glitter or not, you decide, because I will show you 3 options in one little video. Let's dive into the lip art tutorial. First, use a classic Christmas red lipstick and fill in the contour of your lips. I always overline slightly for lip art. You don't have to. Some people seem to think it's a must, but it is not. This is Lina's Beauty Majestic lipstick, and the next one is the green lipstick. This is Galaxy Beauty Cash Out. I have a code THEMIRRORBEAUTY for it if you want to get one for yourself. It is a super vibrant green, and you can just go with this simple option for Christmas makeup, or you can use a thin nail art brush, dip it into the first red lipstick, and start painting the swirls on your lower lip. These swirls are kind of a candy cane style, so you're painting them at approximately an equal distance. They're slightly bent and then narrower towards the mouth and broader towards the edges. If you're liking the Christmas makeup tutorial so far, please give it a thumbs up so that more people can have their Christmas lips done for the holidays. Just fill in all of your lower lip with the red swirls and then go back to the green lipstick and a clean brush, or you can just wipe the previous brush off a tissue and paint the green swirls on the upper lip. You might need a couple of layers because even though the lipstick is opaque, red and green are almost the opposites on the color wheel, so even if they're a little bit sheer, they do not go well together. Paint all the swirls on the upper lip, carve the lips with foundation for a crisp lip makeup line, and you can just as well go with this option for a Christmas party, or you can go full glam with your makeup and use glitter to make the lip makeup pop even more. It is super convenient to use glitter liners for this. I'm using Vogue by Rude Cosmetics, and by the way, this liner and the next one that I'll show you, I won them both in the Rude Cosmetics giveaway. Like, I never thought this was a realistic possibility, yet here we are. I have a whole video on that, unboxing and all. And as for the green liner, which is called Beaming, put it on your top lip. This time only over the green glitter swirls. I will show you the lip art out of focus in a moment so that you can see the hollow particles. Tell me which lip makeup option would you choose for your holiday makeup. If you want to thank me for the work I did, you can leave me a small tip in the tip jar linked in the description box. Currently the only way to monetize my channel, and if you want to see more holiday makeup ideas, you have this Winter Holidays playlist. I'll see you there. Bye!